How much boost I needed, but I didn't have much I was going to use.
No, I got two, not enough drive.
All right, here we go. 2 trucks going to the back of the A main. Marshals on your toes. Drivers, less than 5. We're racing.
It ain't necessarily the car's too fast if the driver's too slow.
Watch the back straightaway, guys.
20%.
Murillo going to be out front. Drivers. Young, Peterson, and Garrison. Back straightaway, back straightaway. Back straightaway, back straightaway. Watch back straightaway, guys. Back straightaway.
He's kind of pulling away. I don't even know who's battling for second.
Novice, ain't named to staging. Novice, ain't named to staging. Is it?
He's already lapped fourth place.
I'm bringing it to you, Scout. David, stop right there. David, stop for a second. David.
Not there.
We're trying to get this out of the way. We're taking that.
I
just want to make sure it wasn't something in the program. Murillo, Prather, Young, Peterson, 2 in, 2 to go. Novice, ain't named to staging. Watch the middle. Watch the hips, watch the back straightaway, That's the leader. Leader's in the white truck. Get the white truck first, thank you.
Does he lap up on everyone?
Yeah.
Top of the box, guys.
Right in front of me.
Middle.
Whoever, I thought John Mandy's probably top right in front of the top of the
Come on, JP, let's go.
Is it broke, Joe?
No.
Peterson gonna pull up out of this one. 1 minute to go. Mike, Jared, Brian. Brian about 2.6 back at Jared. Mike is about an 18 seconds. He's got a full lap on the field. The right here is going to be the battle for the final punch spot. The yellow and blue at Jared. The pink and purple at Brian. Well, that's going to be a good battle. 40 seconds to go.
He sure had it hyped up like he was going to be.
Brian might be able to drive back with it. We'll see.
Oh, no.
Here comes Brian. Brian whacking. That is a battle for the final punch spot. Going to be over the backside of David Garrison. Garrison up out of the way. Through the middle. 20 seconds to go. Oh, Prather in trouble now. No in trouble. Nobody wants to bump.
Nobody wants to bump.
Mike can throw on the counter, coasting home from here.
Ooh, man.
Brian Young gonna get the final thought. Murillo